All right, we are now getting ready to start compounding, and we want to give a huge shout out to Start Yacht Care for sending us this brand new DeWalt rotary buffer.
Haven't even used it yet.
Have not even used it. Yes. Now this is a 3M Quick Connect. You can get on Amazon. You will need this for your wool pads, double-sided wool pads. So go ahead and show us how you put it on. Just twirl it on. Even a idiot can do it, right?
How about that?
Just kidding. Sure, it's nice and tight. So, and we did get some new pads. 3M, perfect.
279.
Yep. Well, hang on, where's the item number?
Right there.
Oh, it's right there on Amazon or eBay, but we did get these on Amazon. $30 to $40
$42
$42
each.
And it is real wool. You know it's real because our dog wants to attack it. Now this is how you put it on. You push that little thing down and you pop it on there, and she's ready to go to town. So let's go ahead and start compounding.
2 sides.
Yep, 2 sides. So it will last you a whole entire boat. Maybe a second one, but I'd say you really just one boat because it does fill in with compound. Now this is Stark Level R's gallon of Level R. This is the first bucket we've ever bought from them. I think it just came out a few months ago, and you got a lot in here. I'm about halfway because I did use it on another boat. So let's go ahead and show you how to put it on and how to work it into the boat.
Whoop.
Okay. So you want to take your applicator pad with your compound on there, and you don't want to use too much. Really, I have way too much on here because I had just mixed it up. So what I'm going to do is just put that much on there. I'm going to scrape the rest off in the bucket because you don't want to use too much. If you do, you're just wasting it and it's not going to do what it needs to do. Now, just rub it in. It's still too much, so like I said, don't use this much.
Well, they can get spread out a little bit more.
Yeah, you can spread it out. The only time I don't recommend working in a big section is if the sun's out and it's hot, because it'll dry up.
Well, we're in fall seasons now.
Yes, unfortunately. Now you might ask, what RPMs do I start on? We always start on 1,000 RPMs, but you can start on 600. After you get it worked in with 1,000 RPMs, you're going to want to turn it up to about 1,200 and hold it flat once you turn it up. But while you're working it in, you're going to have it tilted. Let me fix that.
Oh, was it backwards?
Yeah.
Oh.
Voila, that is it. Do the same step to the whole entire boat. 2 by 2 sections, nothing too big.